Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how we can what is the structure of Magento latest 2.4.5 and which is having like how we can install the module and there are multiple ways to install the module in Magento and today we will understand the code structure, like how the code of Magento works and which folder, how the root of Magento works and how it behaves when we run in the server. Okay, so first of all you can see app folder is there, app bin cg app bin dev generated lib. So these pub setup update so these are the folder. Okay, so we will go step by step. So you can see app folder is there. Okay, inside app we have code, design and etc. So this app folder is very important folder. Okay, so you can see we have code. Okay, so code is basically is for, suppose we have a Magento, you want to override or we want to create you want to override any existing functionality of Magento, then you can use this code folder to write your own custom module and you can override and show in the front end. Like suppose this is a WhatsApp module. Okay, so what is this will show WhatsApp in the home page. So like this we have multiple module here. So like this you can place module and you can run setup upgrade, it will install the module. Okay, and you can enable disable through command also. So this is the app folder, inside code this is the code folder. Okay, and design folder we have a theme and we have a front end. So in design folder we place the theme. Okay, so you can see this front end. So suppose you are creating new theme, you have to create inside the front end folder. Okay, and the front end folder will contain a theme. Like you can see when I click this theme, this is the theme which is running. So like this you can create. So the basic is this, like we have a theme XML here. If you see the theme XML, we have a Magento blank theme, which is, so the theme is you using blank Magento blank themes feature. Okay, so that is why you can see we have mentioned as a parent here. Okay, so this is the theme and we have the whatever theme we are creating, we have to mention here like this, theme name and image of the theme. So this is the theme file. So this will name our theme and this will say where basically and whom we are using for, and then we have to register our theme. So you can see this is front end. So this is the way we have to write to register, and we have a composer JSON. So composition, you can see there are multiple dependency. So the theme which we are creating is dependent on which. So here we have defined it's dependent on framework, it's dependent on the theme. So we are registering our theme and we are saying that this will abide by this license agreement and all. So this is the mandatory thing you have to remember while creating theme. You have to mention like this, and after that you can see multiple folders here, right? This is nothing but the Magento customer checkout. So once you create the site, once your theme is up, so this checkout customer will be working from here. Okay, so as we know Magento is a modular structure. So this theme, you can see Magento theme here. Here we are writing how our theme top menu will look. So you can see here we are calling the top menu from here, so using our theme. So once this theme got activated in the back office, so in the later on videos we will discuss and we will let you know how we register this theme and all. And when this theme is activated, this all module gets enabled. Okay, so bundle catalog. So once you install, so hidden apparel, so you can see hidden apparel the theme name, and then there is a portion customer apparel CSS. So like this you can see multiple default XML where in which portion it is going to show. So like this in the front end we contain a theme. Okay, then we have a etc. In etc folder we have a config php and we have a db schema, dxml. So in the dixml basically it's defined the dependency where basically what we are and which portion we are using. So if you see this file here, this file is for telling the Magento that suppose you want to, you are overriding or you are using some program, so you have to mention in the dependency injection. So this is inside etc. You can see here we have an entity manager, and it is defining type. So whatever you are overriding, we have to define here. Then maybe nbphp. nbphp is the main file which contains the connection with the database. So you can see we have a password of database, we have a username. So this is a very important file, and here we have a front end name also. Okay. Then we have a composer vendor globalist. This non-composer is composer, like whatever we were going to install using composer. We have a set of rule here. So here we have to define in the etc that we are going to use composer also. Like that we have a staccess file here. Here we can allow deny the URL, and then we have auto load. Auto load is for loading all your or your modules and all. So you can see auto load. Okay. Then we have a bootstrap. So bootstrap will be bootstrap. So initially when the application web application runs, the bootstrap application also is run first. So you can see the bootstrap, the function initiated, the program initiated. So here you can see we have defined the PHP version on which it is running. Okay, so like that, we have a compatibility of the Magento version for checking that if this Magento version is compatible or not with this version. So that is for that bootstrap PHP for checking compatibility. Then we have a bean folder. Bean folder is basically Magento is nothing but like bean folder is keeping track of all the beans in the program. Okay. Then we have a dev. Inside dev we have a all test like things like test cases and all, and okay, and the tools which we are going to use. Then generator folder, basically we have a code PSR, and this all whatever we are doing, it will create a generated cache here. Okay. Then we have a lib content all the library detail, like if all the TTF file, like all fonts and everything, if you include, you have to keep it here. Then we have a web folder where we have all those like knockout.js images and all. Okay. Then we have a pub inside we have a media we keep all the images. Static also we have a all the whatever the once the compile the CSS got compiled, once we then upgrade this CSS got compiled, and here they also create a copy in the pub folder. So if you see pub keep track of all the CSS, so you can see whatever CSS you are writing there in all your theme, so here it is creating a copy of. So while working, if you make changes in the folder and you run the deploy or upgrade command, the CSS will be override and it will not work. So it's suggested you have to write CSS inside this your theme folder, whatever theme you have activated. Okay, so there that is the standard of Magento you have to follow. Okay, so we have discussed till static. Let's move on. We have a setup inside. We have this kind of folder and all, and update and the where. Let's discuss where we have a cache, all the cache and all the process is managed by. So later we will discuss this whole part separately in detail. For timing, we are mentioning that vendor you already, like in vendor we can whatever model we install, it's come into vendor folder. So we will have a discussion in detail. Okay. So okay, fine. Next video we will describe how we create a theme, and how we what are the ways to install the theme and install the modules, like using composer, and if you install by a composer, where it goes and how it works. Okay, thank you for watching. Just keep on subscribe, and I will come with more good videos in the coming days. Thank you very much.